3, 2, 1.
What is it that can hold water without getting wet? The answer is A. Bucket. Which planet has a day shorter than its year? The answer is B. Earth. What is the name of the 1991 Disney movie this song is from? The answer is A. Beauty and the Beast. The Mississippi drains into which ocean? The answer is D. Atlantic Ocean. Which of these is not a type of wave in electronics? The answer is D. Plasma wave. Diamonds are sometimes used as the tips of drill bits. Which physical property of a diamond most likely makes it a good cutting tool? The answer is C. Its hardness. Who first discovered the moons of Jupiter in 1610? The answer is B. Galileo. What is the invention associated with the Internet? The answer is D. Computer. Richard Benjamin, an alumni of Northwestern University, began as a fine actor and then did fine work behind the camera. His wife also attended NWU's theater program. What is her name? The answer is B. Paula Prentice. Which of these is a way the people of Virginia can help restore a natural ecosystem? The answer is B. Plant native plants. What was the name of the mob boss on General Hospital who employed Sonny Corinthos? The answer is C. Frank Smith. Which company developed the graphical user interface GUI? The answer is D. Xerox PARC. What is the branch of physics that studies matter and energy? The answer is D. Classical mechanics. What is the African musical instrument that uses calabashes and cowhide? The answer is A. Gem. The 1980s film, The Hitcher, starring Rutger Hauer and Jennifer Jason Leigh, was shot in the same location as which other film? The answer is A. Welcome to Serendipity. What is a cold coffee beverage made with ice, coffee, and syrup? The answer is A. Iced latte. What form when a single atom gains or loses electrons? The answer is A. Monatomic ions. What is the name of the giant ape in Donkey Kong? The answer is A. Kong. Which vegetable is used to make horseradish sauce? The answer is C. Beetroot. The Urn of Fate is part of the traditional Christmas celebrations in what country? The answer is D, Italy. Inside each lymph node is a honeycomb of connective tissue with spaces filled by what? The answer is B, white blood cells. Which is the strongest hurricane ever recorded? The answer is A, Hurricane Camille. Which popular Netflix series is set in the Upside Down? The answer is A, Stranger Things. What 2003 movie plot consisted of a fast-spreading virus that locked its victims into a permanent state of murderous rage? The answer is B, 28 Days Later. Who won the Super Bowl LV? The answer is B, Tampa Bay Buccaneers. What is the Catholic term for a person who, after death, goes to heaven? The answer is A, saint. What type of relationship is parasitism? The answer is A, symbiotic relationship. What is the answer to the riddle the Sphinx gives to Harry Potter in the maze for the third task of the Triwizard Tournament? The answer is A, spider. Which city is known as the City of Love? The answer is A, Paris. Which tool will best help scientists understand relationships between oceans and climate changes? The answer is A, a computer model. What is the largest living structure on Earth? The answer is B, Amazon rainforests. What animals did actor Patrick Swayze breed in his ranches in California and New Mexico? The answer is C, Arabian horses. Which protocol defines the rules for transferring files over the Internet? The answer is C, SMTP. What is a keyboard instrument played with pedals as well as the hands? The answer is A, organ. What is fiscal policy? The answer is A, government spending and taxation. Which of these items is used to hold liquids in the kitchen? The answer is D, pan. Who is the protagonist in Lord of the Flies? The answer is B, Ralph. What is the Roman god of thieves and travelers? The answer is B, Mercury. What English word is used in linguistics when discussing the issue of the lack of separate terms for blue and green in many languages? The answer is D. Grew. What type of fish is in an omelette, Arnold Bennett? The answer is A. Smoked haddock. During which season of the year would a rabbit's fur be thickest? The answer is D. Winter. Which country has the longest-serving non-royal head of state? The answer is D. Zimbabwe. Which enzyme is used in step 3 of the polymerase chain reaction because of its ability to withstand high temperatures? The answer is D. Taq polymerase. What type of map shows the elevation and features in an area? The answer is A. Topographic. Who designed the Eiffel Tower? The answer is D. Gustave Eiffel. Because the human body is about 70% water by mass, and liquid water has high specific heat, a great deal of what is required to change its temperature. The answer is D. Energy. Spirals, spheres, and rods are examples of what distinguishing property of bacteria? The answer is C. Shape. Who wrote the classic novel Moby Dick? The answer is C. Herman Melville. In what year did the famous British comedy Mr. Bean premiere? The answer is B. 1990. Which is likely to cause a spark?